Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a very different kind of chicken recipe. It's a fusion recipe and it's called rustic green chicken. Okay guys, for our green rustic chicken curry, we're going to need a variety of Indian spices. This is the basic spices. You can look at this description box below. Then of course the 3 powders to marinate our chicken. This is peppers, coriander, garlic, ginger and onion paste, and of course 1 whole chicken. Okay, so first of all we're going to marinate this chicken. It's cut in nice curry pieces, what do we call, with the bone. So I'm going to add this salt to all these spices, which is garam masala, chili powder and turmeric powder. So mix this properly, and then this is, I like to put this so the flavor of the chicken is always there. Okay, so I always marinate this chicken like this for at least half an hour, so the seasoning goes all the way into the meat and it pierces almost the bone. While we are marinating the chicken, we're going to toast all the spices. This is the best way to get aroma, all the spices. It's fresh spices, and once they're toasted to a good level, it leaves the aroma and the spices come out really well. So toast this well, and then we're going to grind it with the peppers and the garlic and the ginger. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. We're going to grind this masala or this sauce for cooking the chicken. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, which is the Topper Chef channel, do so. And so we proceed with blending this nice spices which have been smoked really well, and then you add your ginger, your garlic, your cilantro. Now this recipe is a mix. The reason why I call it mix is a fusion, because it's all about spices on my channel, and the spices have to be good, not very hot and just burning in your mouth. Okay, so to this I'm going to add, for water, either I can add stock or just water, and then I'm going to blend this really well. Wow, this is how the consistency is going to be, light green because of the peppers. It smells very aromatic, and we are going to proceed to cook the chicken now. Okay guys, so we are ready to cook the chicken, the green chicken, the rustic chicken, which is a fusion recipe with Mexican chilies and Indian spices. So it's not very hot, and it's going to be really good. So once the oil gets hot, the chicken, which has been marinated for half an hour, we're gonna just saute it till it just seals the juices. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Please visit our blog at topperchef.com for really good and new authentic recipes. Okay, so we saute this thing on high heat. Okay, so move this chicken around. This is cooked on high heat. This is all the bony chicken. And to this, I'm going to add my onion paste. And again, move this around. And keep it covered for about 2 minutes. Okay, so now it's 2 minutes on high heat, and to this I'm gonna add my green spices which has been ground, and then all this. Oh wow, immaculate goodness! The green rustic chicken curry, and let's move this around. And slowly cook this for about 15 minutes till the chicken is cooked. Of course, check the salt. I've already added salt in the marinade before, so now we're gonna just let it simmer down for 15 minutes on medium heat. Okay, 15 minutes on slow simmer. Oh my god, it's so aromatic. That's it, the chicken is ready. Okay, so this is our rustic green chicken with a fusion kind of with Mexican spices and peppers. And here we are. It smells so good, so aromatic, and of course it's gonna be very tasty. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Tapra Chef channel. Happy cooking!